big news. Military jet crashes. Nobody was killed. Destroyed two homes, all their belongings, all their effects. Takes away your life. It really does. Because when you lose your home like that, you lose your pictures, children's birth, pictures, all the human parts of human life. Feathers, marriage licenses, all your clothes, your belongings. This is what the jet crash from airport base. But these people weren't home, luckily. Luckily, the pilot ejected is safe. But it destroys the human effects of life. All your human effects are gone. It's like you never had a life at all. It's gotta be painful. It's gotta be lonely. It's gotta hurt. That's the human dosing of life. Because it does hurt. This is the 7th human being. This is the second jet crash from the base in 2 months. I don't know what's going on. This is the 7th human being. Thank you for watching.